from this side or the other side. So it was not really conducive to
Ayan guys, ang daming bisita. Ayan no. Sila engineer nandyan po. Di lang po tayo basta-basta lumapit guys kasi hindi pa natin gaano kilala yung mga bisita. Ito yung mga turista din to mga kaibigan. Meron silang mga golf cart dito at naka-ready na. Siguro naman ay iikot lang po dito sila sa plaza. Ayan guys oh. Hi ma'am. Ayan at ang daming bisita yun oh. Talagang ating Plaza Mexico ay talagang binibisita ng mga bigati nating mga bisita guys. Galing po ng Malacanang po yun.
Dito mga bayan ng
ayan no, ang ganda, linis na po ating plaza.
Ay nailagay na dito.
Ayan. Okay, ang daming bisita. Ayan na po, may bumaba dito sa ano, may L3 oh. Ayan oh, may bumaba. Baka ito na si Sosek ba mga kaibigan. Ang daming tao, ayun oh, guys. Ang dami. Dagsa guys, ang dami palang bisita talaga dumating. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. At tinanggal yung mga bakal dito. Ayan, ang mga bakal. May mga bakal dito. Ayan, pagmasdan po natin guys. Ayan, dyan po sila nakapwesto ngayon no. At si Sosek parang wala pa yata, di pa dumating guys. Nauna lang itong mga yung mga naghihintay kay Sosek ngayon no. Ayan, at si Ma'am, pwede natin ma-interview yan.
Saan dyan?
Ayan. Ayan, lapitan natin yan. Baka English speaking naman to si Ma'am, no? Okay lang po yan. At sila po ay hindi pwede yan kasi ano yan. At ito po ay parating na po sila. Papasok na po ating mga bisita. Atras lang po tayo guys kasi sila ay papasok sa Plaza Mexico. At itong ating Plaza Mexico ay kabilang na po sa ating tourist spot mga kaibigan. At ito po ay kasama na sa package ng ating mga tours ng mga
Plaza Mexico. As a brief history lang, Plaza Mexico before that, where we're walking right now, used to be an active road going around and under the bridge, exiting where the exit of the bridge was or is right now. In that sense, Plaza Mexico before was an isolated park. It's an island park. For you to be able to cross the park, you have to cross an active road from this side or the other side. So it was not really conducive to pedestrians and human traffic, so that it can be used properly for as an open space. With our design right now, we were able to close off that road turned what was an existing road into a bike lane that will now be connected to the Esplanade commercial areas and all the way to the Manila Post Office. Additionally, it will also connect all the way to Maestranza directly going towards Port Santiago. From Plaza Mexico all the way to the end of Port Santiago until the end of our auxiliary is roughly around 500 meters. Okay. So, prepare po tayo na maglalakad po tayo 500 meters.
At meron tayong mga golf cart dito at bali 5 na golf cart mga kaibigan. Hello architect. Ano sir, sakay na ako dyan. Pero hindi kayo makakadaan dun oh. Hanggang dyan lang. Makakadaan na? Ay makakapasok na sila. Ayan guys, so meron dito mga multicam. Ito kasi ay sa tourist dito mga kaibigan. Ito sa ating Intramuros. Hello sir. Okay, sila po ang ano dito, service na ating sa loob ng Intramuros. Ayan punta na po tayo dito at sundan po natin to guys. Oo nga no, naapak-apakan.
So at least now there's more space for us for more events, for more activities, and it's a nice connection to the Esplanade because now people can walk from the Esplanade to Plaza Mexico and use the space here to unwind basically. And this will be our starting point for the inauguration. So where you were dropped off, we will be closing that whole stretch. Our plan is to close the whole stretch, and then this will be our drop-off point for all of our guests and our VIPs and of course the representatives. Parang ito po yung magiging reception area natin. So we can conceptualize, we can have some refreshment welcome. Over there, by the side. But for the president, I think we can have him also parked by Port Santiago for the drop-off. Or for the exit. I'll give you some time to walk around, take pictures of the area so that you have understanding of how you like to make use of the space. Marami po tayo pwedeng gawin dito. Like I said, this could be a reception area. We can have like a band here to welcome our guests. We can have some refreshments already set up here to welcome our guests before we go to the next transaction. Part of the Plaza Mexico open spaces are actually the ones behind the bridge. Kasi that's been closed off already. There's also more open spaces over there. So if you need like maybe comfort rooms, a command center, we can probably set up around there. Yes, Anthony Carlo, we can do a layout of Plaza Mexico. Yeah. Right now kasi, just for your information, wala pa po kami provision for CRs for Plaza Mexico. The closest one will be the one in 1C. Yeah. So please feel free to take pictures, and if you need to stop me because you need more time to take pictures, just let us know. As I mentioned, this is also part of the open spaces. So, matatanggal na po yung crane.
Yan guys, ang daming bisita oh, yan oh. Halos puno na po sila dito sa ating ano. At papunta na po sila ng Maestranza at hindi na po tayo pumasok at gawa ng hindi tayo pinapapasok dyan no? At dito na po at sunod lang po tayo sa kanilang patakaran. Ayan, madami guys oh. Ang ating golf cart ay sumusunod lang po sila. Di ko lang alam kung sila ay makakapasok guys no. Ayan oh. Engineer Van, may lisensya ba? Wala ba? Ayan, maganda yan pang ano yan, pang golf no, pang golf cart mga kaibigan. At ito yung ginagamit sa ating ano tawag yan, sir?
Pang sideline.
Sideline. Oh. Oh, magkano boundary? Ayan si ano si engineer po ang nagdadrive no. Ito naman ang ating pick up no. Sila po ay nag-iikot dito sa ating Intramuros at sila po ay isa sa mga tourist guide din na sila po ay driver, tourist guide at may mga radyo na may mga grupo po yan guys itong ating cart nandyan no at ay dito tayo hindi na tayo papasok doon ayan guys at dito oh ayan. Ayan, hanggang dyan na lang po. Pero pupunta pa sila kasi nasa 500 meters po ito guys. Medyo napakahaba. No, mula dito sa Plaza Mexico, papuntang Intramuros, nasa 500 meters. Kaya napakahaba-haba po. Ayan, nandun na po sa loob sila guys. Ang dami no.
Kaya, ayan.
Ang dami oh. Ang daming bisita guys. Oh. Ayan, pumasok ng ating cart. Makakapasok pala sila guys. Oh, ayan oh. Okay.